If you're watching this, there's a part of you that knows something isn't right. Maybe it's your performance. Maybe it's your presence. Maybe it's the quiet voice inside your head that says you used to feel more powerful than this. You are not broken, but you are out of alignment. And this 10-part series, it's not about hype. It's not about tricks. It's not about becoming someone fake. It's about rebuilding the man you know you're capable of being from the inside out. If you're dealing with PIED or anxiety or hesitation or that subtle loss of your edge, this series is not about erections. It's about confidence, real confidence, the kind that doesn't collapse under pressure, the kind that doesn't disappear in the bedroom, the kind that doesn't depend on validation. Over these next 10 parts, we're going to dismantle everything you thought confidence was and rebuild it properly, systematically, neurally, and permanently. Now let me walk you through the transformation arc of what you're going to experience on this journey. In part 1, confidence is built, not born. We destroy the myth that confidence is something you're born with. You're going to understand that confidence isn't a personality trait. It's a system inside your nervous system. And if it was built wrong in the first place, it can be rebuilt correctly. This is where we shift from shame to strategy. In part 2, fear isn't the problem, avoidance is. Part 2 is going to sting a little because we expose the real reason things have been getting worse. It's not fear, it's your avoidance. Every time you retreat, your nervous system gets stronger in the wrong direction. We break that loop for good. In part 3, the confidence bank account. You're going to realize why affirmations never really worked in the first place, why hype collapses under pressure, and why your nervous system only believes proof. We build receipts. We stack confidence. We stop arguing with doubt and start outvoting it. In part 4, the confidence muscle, you're going to understand why you feel great for 3 days and then crash. Because confidence isn't built in spikes. It's built in rhythm. We install repetition, consistency, volume. No more starting over every week. Part 5, identity shift. This is where things get deep. You can do all the right habits, but if you still see yourself as the guy who struggles, your body will match that image. In part 5, we upgrade the operating system. You stop trying to be confident and start becoming it. Part 6, the core framework. Now we give you the engine. Courage, ownership, repetition, evidence. 4 levers. You miss one, you wobble. You lock all 4, you become unshakable. This is the structure you've been missing. Part 7, state engineering. This is the professional level. You learn how to flip confidence on, even when anxiety hits. Body, breath, focus, ritual. No more hoping you feel ready. You decide. Part 8, social mastery. Confidence that stays in your head isn't enough. In part 8, you learn how to walk into a room and be felt. Without arrogance, without performance, without faking it. Presence, voice, stillness, boundaries, and leadership. Part 9, identity alchemy. This is where we bury the old version of you, the one tied to shame, to failure, to secrecy. You don't delete him, you release him, and you step fully into the man that you've been building. In part 10, the confidence blueprint. Finally, we install your daily operating system. Not motivation, not willpower, structure. A blueprint you can run even when you're stressed, even when you slip, even when you doubt. This is how confidence becomes automatic. Now, let me tell you something important before you start this series. This is not entertainment. This is not background noise. This is not something you casually binge and then forget. This is work, but it's the kind of work that changes how you walk, how you speak, how you lead, how you show up in the bedroom, how you show up in life. If you commit to this series and actually apply them, you won't recognize yourself 6 months from now. Not because you became someone new, but because you stopped living beneath your capacity. The version of you that struggles right now, he's not weak. He's untrained. He's conditioned. He's operating on an outdated system. This series upgrades that system. So don't watch this halfway. Don't skip parts. Don't cherry pick what feels comfortable. Go in order. Take notes. Do the reps. Because confidence isn't built by watching. It's built by executing. So start with part 1. And when you finish all 10, you won't just feel different. You'll operate different. Let's begin.